The river is rising. Everyone is sheltering on the platform tonight.
They haven't eaten since afternoon.
I know. Light the second lantern and start the fire. Karahi? Extra ginger tonight. The rain makes it better.
That smell.
Don't let the fire die. Oil is coming out. It's ready. Now it smells right. Now it smells right.
Done.
Right on time. It looks delicious. The steam is lovely.
Thank you. Bismillah. Let us eat.
The pepper. The ginger.
More.
Did I make it right? The rain helped. There is one more piece. Rest. I'll do it.